कि आज की बड़ी खबर जो नेपाल से है उसे लेकर एक बड़ा अपडेट इस वक्त हमारे पास आ गया है। ये अपडेट आपको बता दें, दरअसल नेपाल में देखिए पिछले 5 घंटे से बातचीत जारी थी। ये बातचीत जेनजी और सेना के बीच चल रही थी और इस बातचीत में एक चेहरा जो निकलकर सामने आया है। अब सवाल ये है कि क्या ये वो चेहरा होगा जो यहाँ की परिस्थितियों को आगे एक बेहतर दिशा में ले जाते हुए आपको दिखाई देगा। नेपाल के सुप्रीम कोर्ट की पूर्व न्यायाधीश सुशीला कार्की, जस्टिस सुशीला कार्की जो ये नाम है, उन्हें लेकर ये सवाल इस वक्त इसलिए कि क्या वो नया चेहरा होंगी, क्योंकि कम से कम बड़ी खबर जो यहाँ पर आ रही है उन्हें लेकर चर्चा जो है, सरकार को लेकर उनका क्या मत है, ये सब भी आपको बताएंगे। लेकिन क्या वो अंतरिम सरकार को लीड कर सकती हैं, क्योंकि उनका चेहरा एक विश्वास के साथ सामने आया है जो जेनजी ने उन पर भरोसा दिखाया है। तो बातचीत को उन्होंने लीड किया है, लेकिन इसके साथ साथ अंतरिम सरकार का हेड बनने पर भी, अध्यक्ष बनने पर भी उन्होंने सहमति जता दी है। इसीलिए अब आंदोलनकारियों और जो नई सरकार वहां पर बनेगी उनके बीच जो विश्वास की एक कड़ी है, उसके रूप में आपको पूर्व चीफ जस्टिस सुशीला कार्की दिखाई देंगी। और इस बीच देखिए, जस्टिस सुशीला कार्की का नाम जब इस वक्त सुर्खियों में है तो एनडीटीवी इंडिया पर सुपर एक्सक्लूसिव बातचीत में आपको दिखाने वाली हूं। हमारी सहयोगी सिक्ता देव जो ग्राउंड से लगातार आपको अपडेट कर रही हैं, उन्होंने कल जस्टिस सुशीला कार्की से खास बातचीत की।
The protests of the young agitators are on the Kathmandu roads, and joining them is former Chief Justice of Nepal, Sushila Karki ji, who's with us right now. Justice Karki, the protest is on, the curfew is also on. There were several killed and many more injured. What do you think? Is government going on the right track?
The government persons who are, they are allowed to do the legal work. This is a criminal work of government, I have seen in that this must not have to be yesterday, because neither Hitler had did such kind of action in his time. Hitler had not put children on the gas chamber, nor our ex-ruler, Rana ruler, have killed any child or hanged any child.
You think the atrocities took place on the streets of Kathmandu yesterday, but the protesters here are saying it's not about the social media ban. It is about the corruption, the economic crisis of the country.
Everything. This is the movement we have felt. This is the movement against corruption. This is the movement against the ban. This is the movement of the monopoly of the government. This is the movement of the not applying the rule of law in this country. And each and every people who are fighting here, they are actually the children of those people who have gone out of the nation to work as a labor, and they
earn a living abroad. So the government has also appealed to the protesters to take back their protest marches, and also reassured that whatever happened yesterday will be investigated and a report will be given in 15 days. Is it convincing enough?
No. This is out of, because yesterday they should not have to, have to use the guns and bullets, This not have to be done.
It shouldn't have happened. And
this is enough. Because these children actually what they were demanding, they were on a silent movement. They were in a peaceful movement, because I can prove it that no student have any kinds of arms, lathi, nothing in their hands.
So what's the way forward? My last question, what is the way forward? Because things are going out of
hand. The thing is, this government should be collapsed.
They should step down. But who leads the country then?
The youth,
new generation, youth, and.
But do they have leaders? Do they have people who can lead them?
Youth means not these are also. They are also below the 40s, below the 45s, and below the 50s.
The younger politicians should lead.
Yeah. They should lead, and they can do. These all are out of date. They have no any vision, no education. However, they have education, maybe certificate. but they does not seem they educated.
You are equally disillusioned like these Gen Z and the young protesters.
Yeah.
You are equally disillusioned by the government.
Yeah, I support this movement because not yesterday, from today I am supporting this movement because they killed our children. Innocent children they have killed. This is a, I mean, this is, they killed our children. Look at, more than 20 people, 20 child they died. What is going on, the mother and the father? What the condition? We ourselves have.
You are with the families who have lost their
Yeah. I myself had not yet sleep at night, all night, you know. I became so, I was feeling that I should have to cry. This is enough against the people.